Hi, this is Larry Shover, CIO of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago. Well, we had a mixed bag of volatility last week. Let's dig right into it. Equity vol, 5-year low, with the VIX measuring at 12.5%. Oil vol, 1-month vol, down about three tenths of a point to 19.5. On the other hand, gold vol, 1-month volatility went up 2 percentage points last week to 12.7, and FX G7 vol, 1-month volatility up about 1/4 of a point to 8.2. Very important to recognize British pound 1-month vol is now in the 80th percentile, Japanese yen 1-month vol in the 96th percentile. So where do we go from here? We have FOMC minutes coming out tomorrow. We also have PPI, CPI, and PMIs coming out from around the world. Right now, vols are stagnant, but this is what stands out. First, S&P 500 skew convexity, or vol of the skew. This is really important to recognize, but right now the VIX is trading at the 1 percentile, whereas we have 1-month skew trading at the 40th percentile. So there seems to be a little bit of nervousness. People are starting to buy out of the money puts in the S&P 500. Secondly, term structure has backtracked and now is starting to steepen once again. We've seen 1 to 6-month vols continue to go lower, while we have 2-year to 7-year vol actually unchanged on the week and actually on the day as well. So we're seeing term structure steepen. Lastly, equity correlations are continuing to diverge. That's something that typically, but not always, seems to happen when we get close to the end of an earnings cycle. Now, what's driving volatility right now? Right now, the story remains the same as emerging market vol and also earnings. That's what's driving overall macro volatility in CME asset classes. What's putting the floor on volatility? What's keeping volatility asset classes from going lower? Last week, it was gold and G7 vol, both of them up on the week. Now, on the other hand, what's the ceiling on vol? What's keeping a lid on asset class volatility? And basically, it's three things: sovereign debt, credit, and the U.S. Treasury vol, which have all been unchanged to a little bit lower last week. I'm Larry Shover, CIO of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago.